With the LED garage light from Lithonia Lighting, the instruction manual and all mounting hardware is included in the box. Be sure to remove the fixture components in the parts pack. Check that all the parts are included. There is no need to purchase extra lamps or mounting equipment. The LED garage light easily installs to a junction box through direct wiring, or can be suspended using the aircraft cables and power cord provided. The only tools you will need other than a ladder is a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver, pliers, wire strippers, and a hammer. Be sure you also have your personal protective equipment when installing this product. Before installation, turn off the power at the circuit breaker box. For direct wire installation, position the mounting plate over the junction box and feed the supply wires through the center holes. Be sure the screws that are already installed in the mounting plate are facing downward and are positioned to the correct fixture orientation. Secure the mounting plate using the 1.5 inch screws. Remove the diffuser from the housing by grasping the edge of the diffuser near one end of the housing. Carefully squeeze the diffuser to release it from the housing, and then continue down the length of the diffuser to fully disengage. To access the wireway, first remove the center screw from the wireway cover. Compress the sides of the wireway cover to disengage from the fixture housing. Rotate the cover open to expose the wireway. On the back of the fixture, remove the 7/8 inch knockout at the center of the fixture by placing a straight blade screwdriver on the knockout and striking the screwdriver sharply with a hammer. Remove the slug by flexing back and forth until it comes off. Please be sure not to lay the fixture directly on the PIR sensor as it is fragile and can break. Lift the fixture to the ceiling and insert the power lead through the open hole. Position the housing over the two screws facing outward on the mounting plate and secure with the finials provided. Locate the single green, black, and white fixture leads. Using wire strippers, remove the insulating cap from each wire, exposing 3/8 of an inch to 7/16 of an inch. Connect the green ground wire to the bare copper wire in the junction box using a wire nut. Connect the black fixture wire with the black power supply wire and the white fixture wire with the white power supply wire using wire nuts. Bundle the connected wires in a tight grouping. Reinstall the channel cover by rotating upward and snap back into place. Install the middle screw to secure. Be sure no wires are pinched between the housing and the wireway cover. Prior to reinstalling the diffuser, adjust the time delay on the PIR sensor to your desired settings. Maximum delay time is 10 minutes and minimum is 1 minute. To increase the amount of time the fixture will remain illuminated, rotate the knob toward the plus symbol. To install the diffuser, start at one end of the housing and insert the diffuser slot onto the edge of the housing. Carefully squeeze the diffuser to engage the opposite side with the housing. Continue this action down the length of the diffuser until it is fully installed in the housing. Turn on the electricity at the circuit breaker box and walk back into the room where the fixture is installed. The light will turn on automatically as soon as motion is detected in the room by the PIR sensor. Verify the PIR sensor is working properly by exiting the room and wait to see if the light turns off in the selected time frame. The LED garage light allows users to link up to 4 fixtures together. Each unit comes with a row connector. To insert the row connector, locate the plug on the end of the fixture labeled Linking Output Max 4 Fixtures. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the slot and gently pry upward to expose the connector. Insert the row connector until fully installed. We now need to mark the locations of the mounting screws for the second fixture. From the center of the end of the installed fixture, measure 1 7/8 of an inch and mark the point. From that same point, measure 21 1/16 of an inch to the next screw location and mark the point. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes at each of the marked locations. If there is a wooden beam in the ceiling where the screws will be, use wood screws to hang the fixture. If there is empty space, toggle bolts are recommended. Use a drill to install the screws, leaving 3/16 of an inch space between the head of the screw and the ceiling. Locate the fixture end that says Power Cord Input and remove the plug cover. Next, remove the diffuser and open the wireway cover. Lift the fixture housing to the ceiling and insert the screw heads into the keyhole slots. Slide the fixture toward the installed fixture and insert the row connector until fully installed. Tighten the screws. Reinstall the wireway cover and adjust the PIR sensor to match the installed fixture. Reinstall the diffuser. When all fixtures have been installed, reinstall any plug covers on any open fixture ports. Turn on the electricity at the circuit breaker box and walk back into the room where the fixtures are installed. The lights will turn on automatically as soon as motion is detected in the room by the PIR sensors. Verify the PIR sensors are working properly by exiting the room and wait to see if the lights turn off in the selected time frame. First, we want to remove the diffuser and adjust the PIR sensor to the desired settings. Remove the diffuser from the housing by grasping the edge of the diffuser near one end of the housing. Carefully squeeze the diffuser to release it from the housing, and then continue down the length of the diffuser to fully disengage. Prior to reinstalling the diffuser, adjust the time delay on the PIR sensor to your desired settings. Maximum delay time is 10 minutes and minimum is 1 minute. To increase the amount of time the fixture will remain illuminated, rotate the knob toward the plus symbol. To install the diffuser, start at one end of the housing and insert the diffuser slot onto the edge of the housing. Carefully squeeze the diffuser to engage the opposite side with the housing. Continue this action down the length of the diffuser until it is fully installed in the housing. Install the two hooks, which are not provided, into the ceiling. To install the power cord, locate the end of the fixture that is labeled Power Cord Input. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the slot on either side of the logo plug and gently pry upward to expose the connector. Unbundle your power cord and plug the fitting into the end of the fixture. If using open style hooks, simply place the adjustable end of the cable assembly onto the ceiling hook. If using closed style hooks, slightly loosen the screws on the cable assembly, but do not remove the screws, and remove the short end of the cable from the locking ferrule and thread it through the hook opening. Reinsert the cable back into the locking ferrule and tighten the screws securely. While supporting the fixture assembly, attach the S-hooks to the housing. Slide the hooks through the openings on the top of the housing and crimp both ends of the hook. To adjust the fixture height, locate the screws at the end of the cable attached to the ceiling. Slightly loosen the screws, but do not remove the screws, and adjust the cable to the desired fixture height. Tighten the screws securely. Once the fixture is installed, plug in the power cord. Turn on the electricity at the circuit breaker box and walk back into the room where the fixture is installed. The light will turn on automatically as soon as motion is detected in the room by the PIR sensor. Verify the PIR sensor is working properly by exiting the room and wait to see if the light turns off in the selected time frame.
Acuity Brands is pleased to present the E-Series LED module by Lithonia Lighting. The information in this presentation is confidential and proprietary and may not be used, reproduced, or distributed without the express written permission of Acuity Brands Lighting Incorporated. Value Proposition. The E-Series by Lithonia Lighting fills a niche in our LED downlighting retrofit module portfolio by providing an economy, no-frills option for many residential and light commercial installations. The E-Series performs similarly to the P-Series LED downlight module, also by Lithonia, but is limited to a white baffle trim, light output and distribution similar to a 65BR30 incandescent, and a handful of the most popular color temperatures. The value proposition of the Lithonia E-Series LED downlight module includes dependable performance, economical with 70% of full light output at 35,000 hours with no maintenance, significant energy savings over incandescent and halogen incumbent sources, available in multiple correlated color temperatures and enhanced color rendering index values, flexibility, one module for 4-inch housings, another for 5 and 6-inch housings, wet location listed for indoor and outdoor installations, instant on, no waiting for the source to come up to full brightness, line voltage dimmable to 10% of full light output with our patent-pending zero inrush driver that puts more modules on a dimmer circuit. The E-Series LED module by Lithonia Lighting is our most economical means to create a well-lit environment with a retrofit in an existing downlight housing, or new construction and remodel applications. These modules can be used in indoor and outdoor applications due to its standard wet location listing. Key specifications. The E-Series is designed to be as simple to select as it is to install. Spun aluminum reflector with deep white baffle and diffuse lens for minimal glare and smooth distribution. Standard efficiency lumen packages to match the incandescent lamps they are commonly installed to replace. The 4-inch version has lumen package options ranging from 530 to 630 lumens. The 5-inch 6-inch model ranges from 640 to 770 lumens. Correlated color temperatures in 2700, 3000, and 4000 degrees Kelvin. 120 volt. L70 at 35,000 hours. 82 CRI is standard and 90 CRI is optional in 2700 and 3000 degree Kelvin temperatures only. Dimmable to 10% of full light output. Wet location listed and Energy Star listed. What if, while remodeling a kitchen, you want to retrofit the existing downlights to LED and add a couple of new luminaires to match? Although our focus in this presentation has been the easy retrofitability of existing downlight housings to take advantage of energy-saving LED technology, the E-Series can also be used for new construction in insulated or non-insulated ceilings using economical Lithonia Lighting downlight housings. Order the L3 new construction or L3R retrofit housing for the 4-inch module, or any of the 5 or 6-inch new construction, retrofit, or shallow housings from the L5, L7X, or LC6 series from Lithonia Lighting. The simple-to-read LED lighting facts provide the pertinent operating characteristics and statistics for the 80 CRI products and the 90 CRI products. The LED lighting facts are a program of the U.S. Department of Energy and are printed on the packaging of all E-Series downlight modules. Product features. The E-Series modules have combined LED and driver printed circuit boards attached inside of the modules. The inner reflector cone funnels light through the pressed-in diffused lens, while the aluminum spun reflector with deep baffle configuration reduces glare. Both the 4-inch and the 5-inch 6-inch modules have a wide flood beam angle at 45 degrees and come in a matte white finish. As noted, the friction clips of the 4-inch module allow fitment into cans with an inside diameter of 4 inches to 4.5 inches. The torsion springs ensure easy installation for the 5 and 6-inch recessed housings. Both sizes include an E26 socket adapter to be used for retrofit applications. The design of both the 4-inch module and the 5-inch 6-inch module make it the ideal retrofit for many existing IC and non-IC housings. The 4-inch module has an aperture of 4 1/8 inch, an overlap trim of 5 1/4 inch, and a height of 2 1/2 inch. The 5-inch 6-inch model has an aperture of 5 5/8 inch, an overlap trim of 7 5/8 inch, and a height of 2 3/4 inches. Product benefits. Let's review the benefits of the E-Series LED module from Lithonia Lighting. Dependable performance. Economical with 70% of full light output at 35,000 hours with no maintenance. Significant energy saving over incumbent incandescent and halogen sources. Available in multiple correlated color temperatures and enhanced color rendering index values. Flexibility. One module for 4-inch housings, another for 5-inch and 6-inch housings. Wet location listed for indoor and outdoor installations. Instant on, no waiting for the source to come up to full brightness. Line voltage dimmable to 10% of full light output with our patent-pending zero inrush driver that puts more modules on a dimmer circuit. Support. The E-Series modules can be found on our webpage at www.acuitybrands.com, where you will also find a launch letter, specification sheets, installation sheets, and photometric test results. For technical support, please call 800-315-4935. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the E-Series LED module by Acuity Brands and Lithonia Lighting. Please visit the Acuity Brands website for additional product information and a direct link to Acuity Academy, where you can find more virtual and instructor-led learning opportunities. Welcome to the product overview for the JCBL Round LED High Bay by Acuity Brands and Lithonia Lighting. The information in this presentation is confidential and proprietary and may not be used, reproduced, or distributed without the express written permission of Acuity Brands Lighting Incorporated. Taking a quick look at our agenda today, we will review the JCBL's product positioning and where it falls into the overall high bay portfolio. We will also take a look at some of the key features as well as the JCBL's value proposition and which options are readily available from stock. Lastly, we will look over the available sales tools and information available to help you become more familiar with the JCBL. JCBL is our most economical round industrial solution, and it comes in slightly less expensive than the IBH. Keeping true with our good, better, best offering based on price for performance, the JCBL is a new entry point for LED solutions in the high bay portfolio. The round form factor of the JCBL speaks to the existing installed base of traditional HID fixtures and is ideal for new construction opportunities where a round luminaire is preferred. Designed to be affordable and easy to install in both new construction and retrofit applications, the JCBL makes transitioning to LED simple and affordable. The round form factor of the JCBL gives end users the choice of maintaining a traditional look while benefiting from the maintenance and energy savings of LED. This product is suitable for many applications: gymnasiums, warehouses, packaging facilities, and other industrial and high ceiling applications. Key features and benefits of the JCBL include its 18,000 or 24,000 lumen packages that offer one-for-one replacement up to a 400-watt metal halide while providing up to 50% energy savings. Both lumen packages are available in 4,000 degree Kelvin and 5,000 degree Kelvin correlated color temperature and are 70 CRI standard. JCBL performs in ambient temperatures ranging from -20 degrees C to 50 degrees C, or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Its highly efficient LEDs are mounted directly to its cast aluminum heatsink, providing excellent thermal management in the hottest applications. JCBL is offered in both pendant mount as well as with a hook, cord, and plug option. JCBL is offered standard with 6 kV surge protection. JCBL is available with a clear or frosted acrylic refractor or a specular or diffused aluminum reflector, each of which is easily installed to the electrical housing. The high-efficiency frosted acrylic refractor provides a comfortable diffused look while also delivering up to 8% uplight without the aid of a lens. The aluminum reflectors offer a more traditional feel and look while providing the highest level of impact resistance. Both the acrylic refractors and aluminum reflectors are available with lens options that increase the level of delivered uplight. The flat lens provides the highest level of uplight when combined with the frosted acrylic refractor, while the conical and drop lenses provide enhanced aesthetic appeal. All 3 lens options help to reduce glare and hide the LEDs from direct view. When a lens option is used, ambient temperature ratings are reduced to 40 C. Stock configurations include both the 18,000 and 24,000 lumen packages in 4,000 and 5,000 degree Kelvin correlated color temperatures and can be ordered with a hook and cord or 3/4 inch threaded hub for pendant mount. Acuity Brands distribution centers will stock these configurations, including the acrylic drop lens and WireGuard accessories. All non-stock items will have a standard 5-day lead time. Sales tools can be found at www.acuitybrands.com and include information on the dedicated industrial web page, specification sheets, sell sheets, IES files, and frequently asked questions. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the JCBL round LED high bay from Acuity Brands and Lithonia Lighting. Please visit our webpage at www.acuitybrands.com for more information on this and other products, as well as a link to Acuity Academy, our online learning resource.